Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
Which companion is known as Saifullah? Your options are option A Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu or option B Hamza radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option A Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu. Which companion is known as Asadullah? Your options are option A Ali radiyallahu anhu or option B Umar radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option A Ali radiyallahu anhu. Who is the first caller of Azan in Islam? Your options are option A Bilal ibn Rabaha radiyallahu anhu or option B Anas radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option A Bilal ibn Rabaha radiyallahu anhu. Bilal radiyallahu anhu died in which country? Your options are option A Medina or option B Damascus. The right answer is option B Damascus. How was Muhajirin who stayed near Masjidul Nabawi called? Your options are option A Ashab Sufa or option B Ansar. The right answer is option A Ashab Sufa. How many ayats are there in Surah Ash-Shams? Your options are option A 18 or option B 15. The right answer is option B 15. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Layl? Your options are option A 21 or option B 26. The right answer is option A 21. How many ayats are there in Surah Ad-Duha? Your options are option A 11 or option B 15. The right answer is option A 11. How many ayats are there in Surah Al-Inshirah? Your options are option A 8 or option B 6. right answer is option A, 8. How many ayats are there in Surah At-Teen? Your options are option A, 8 or option B, 6. The right answer is option A, 8.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.